Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how can you use your smartphone as a spy camera. First you have to go Google Play Store on your smartphone. Search Access Camera. Install it. Wait for some times. And there we go. Just skip it, open the application, then go to its settings. Go to privacy settings. If you want to save your recorded video on gallery, then turn it on. On privacy mode, you have to select nothing. That means it recorded your video silently without showing any proof. On the lock screen settings, you have to select it on. Go back. Camera and video settings, you have to select from which camera you have to record, front or back camera. If you want the video with recording, then select the audio is on. You have to turn off flashlight. Video quality, you have to select HD. Enable zoom, yes. That's it. If you find this video helpful, then like the video and hit the subscribe button for watching my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.